Obusua mechia wono mama sama wakwa aba bibia wo bia nyanto boase ni tie me fa bufuo ne mfa wotan enti because crucial moment here wo me very very critical pass see what the month of December and nay 1st of December 2020 shene so date anytime here very important mechia wo bibia wo bia menim se tutubu nso yakopon na moment no wonu abusuafo nyina mo ho eye mini ubedi nkomo bi na mpese wa adwene si bibi so obehu nipa odam nchen a yankasa ye president his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa wadi o minus of 4 years ono ho nkomo bi na mini ubedi na ya behwe ni video bi a ewo social media otim se dodo no a eka ho asem a dodo na ede tutu ba bibiri a ye ne yankasa ye excellency ye president ye mampanyi akwa bribe bi of 40,000 Ghana cedi or $40,000 or whatever we seen in the video bia was seen to be say we're taking something in the hand, whether it's a bribe, whether it's a gift, whatever it is, no, ehun komo na mlu bidi no. Na mebo original video no, am watch video no, emunsem na de kofa baaye. Na afi susu wati mu ye. Ubia ne se de na adwene si bede, ebe che no. Aye mampanyi his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa na dwuma pa wa ye ne de yemfa ne se dodo no a amanfo ka ho asem free SHS. A free senior high school and free education out him so they are say ankwankwa nyina entimi nkobi no munkosua de e wo mu se ne kranim nyame anim de NDC John Dramani Mahama apenso na omo introduce free SHS 2015 ansana omampanyi a wudi so Nana Addo Dankwa enso nya akwanya a wibie mu a o se ene se John Dramani Mahama ede kwan na to ade a ade nti na ono so mefa so na onye ni ye preko na chese wote ase na wote ase ya John Dramani Mahama ne NDC aban ene start ye na ye excellency Nana Addo Dankwa enso ebeto aso na emom no waje ama no ho yemfa ne saa because na apenso ene ode atokwan mu ye adwuma pa eno no nkire se ye mampanyi his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa adwuma pa se wo ya ade bisu na nya se e kata so eno ne kata so mumuaso a yaye oman Ghana ache mumaye ma no kure ni yenimu kan na no kure entimi ni oman so na no kure ene bitimi aboa me no omi no kataso mumuaso de enye meni wo be video no a yankasa ye president his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa ede aba betudwa na asa abetudwa yesi wo take bribe na wankasa tie ni take your time and listen to it very carefully hwe video no kwan a ofa so a woje ade no won nsem yiwi a na edi ho nkomo. But before I will video me born kaya mo adwena ba so say mo nua bi ntibi mo nua bi metie bi mo nua bi nhwe bi won to ne boase no nhwe na onte ase ye ni ehu ye mampanyi de oye ebu meka say o video na che 2016 2001 me nua say 2001 okra no a ababa betu dwa se wogie ena ye ka say mampanyi enti na whether ne past life ne present life or whether life that he has lived no. As long as I come across in there, we will also talk about it and see. Said the bear that chance minti betimi di GDA ato no so say obetimi e de oman no akodru empempen so because oman da chi nyina the leader na ode e kono. Etimi no ba behwe video no na emo mesam waso ate no watia so akwaso mpam say video no a wo behwe ne video a eye kwakuwa na justice kwakuwa na oye adwuma ma Kennedy Japan ewo ne 2 a wo ye journalist no esudi kan be kan me no bedi ho nkomo ekwan of aso hu se video ni beba ekwan of aso be kan ho asem because kokwa na onye journalist onye prophet ana onye software but also a journalist and wo ye adwuma so ma Kennedy Japan nti kwan of aso no so nya video no eno nso ye be kan ho asem na afi ya hwede ewo ho ye betie nanum asem minim se wo TV ibeti asema justice kokua na nso kae ansa na video we betodwa ye bedi nkomo pi na emom no yenhwe video no ansa tie video no mu asem yo na afi ye wie na edi ho nkomo a wo so wate enema bi ase mame nyi video no nchewo na ehwede eko se de be ya wo so behu mechi obi bia wo ba so bia ma onua bi so ntibi na ono so mehwe video no yi very clear se de be ya ibetimi edi ho nkomo na edi yi ayede atu yi o man papa so man be ye ya ejina me no mi no so akabe enansia bi ede yenim aye koto aba yenhwe kwan ye befa so ye beto aba ne yenyi nipa bi a obetimi de oman ne drum pempen so ana obetimi ama oman ne yi di mu ayede aba na afi ya hwe asetine mu so de ekon se koyie ana enkoyi a eno na wode bekwa koto aba nya atesem nko a wo so hwe wasetine mu ne hwe ade eti ye be video no na afi no ya to so afri ho ma yenhwe video no na yenhwe ade bi wa nti ne video no na me bebo a kire no Enche video no mbeka sa musisi edu pa even sema omuka wo ti ni anto se hwe ti musi ni ma ko na sema o ka ti se o de hwe video no a enche omu bra inside na o ma ko
so much.
Papa, me work for them. I'm a very walk. I did. Or you may not at the Okuhu and Chama. Senkana or a day t-shirts be a more cacao officer at the or the draw. Now, a time has been I don't know. Or that's what says in one by night that I know you send me behind you. In the community, you could director for a roads.
Transport Ministry.
Department of Urban Reform and the Ministry of Transport.
This is the opposite of the highway.
That's right.
Yeah.
And then said, civil servants or more efforts and kind.
And then once we are this month, we have realized that I am meeting the wrong people on this.
And of course, the first business is the number child now is then the t-shirts will get a one car.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm so excited, I don't even know what to say. If I told me brain, I didn't buy it, I'll let him do that.
Yeah, no, no. I'm saying, I'm ready. Mini the Tana Canal de Moa. Yes, yeah, Mama Buzia Fee. Mitro videos be our training and have military for. Since then, no. Yeah, I'm saying, workload in our city. I said, Obama money said, yeah, Omobuana Diadino, and me drew Musumoena Missino, young Comama Ho, and Cobona money, Ebia, don't say, or Muya Dia. I say, be proposals be or Nimna, the Adina, Yaman Kitibia, he said, Person Monsuga Bois. Uboya Mania, yes, a besu. Now, Mwaka cry betting at the Abuano, Naya Bois. See, and the Payo baby, see, Okuta, some more 40,000 at the Akatis. They are actually no more beer, a better me are communicating.
Okay.
Oh, thank you very much. But I need to have a name. I wouldn't tell the name.
First time when you leave it.
Ebusuya said you no saa enetie yenyi bi mfrim yensa fa bi nka ho afi no yibidi nkomo na ye de ye atoyi obehwa ye mampanyi his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa energy 40,000 say dollars say Ghana cedi ena oji ya odi okuta ye se ye de ka entare ho ayede amano na afi no odi ayede eso ye so odi ye campaign so odi ye de reches waje 40,000 Ghana cedi $40,000. I think said do no I be kan wasem so video na old video to say old video me Matias ye won so no what ase but say oje ye ne de uhu ye de me pese what ase sa yemfa ne say old video yemfa ne sa said de do no I can yemfa ne say enye current video enye present video eche but oje ye ne de wuji tumu de ana no so no enka ho se wuji tumu se oje de a saa na ye de asem court a ni ye kodi asem a saa na ye ka no say ye no achi. The first question to ask ne say sika na ye de ma wo no oje an nipa na wo de bre wo no unim no an okay ansa na ye be ka say eye old ana new. That is the first case bribe no oje. Second case eye old ana eye new. Ye be di hu nkomo bi. But before ye be di hu nkomo bi no ho ma me nkyere won nsem a Justice Kwaku Anan be kan ya video na wo hwe na ho asem wo e na obeka ye ansa na video no ye de e beba ti asem a Justice Kwaku Anan kan tawaso ne tie ne ye e very very important say obeti Justice Kwaku Anan enum asem ni ye ansa na me nkomo na me ne wo no metimi no wadi ni me nche pi ma onua bi so ntibi no ntie ni me si Justice Kwaku Anan wonye prophet wonye pastor so for ne prophet they see the numomo a dada na shem kom bebri ntwaloto ebi ma ba we do a journalist enti ohun video no wo hen onya asem no wo hen onya information no wo hen ansa na eba out he knows also something about it yentie Justice Kwaku Anan anum asem wi a yebeto so fru yentie asem dia Justice Kwaku Anan kan.
Good evening listeners and viewers. I'm Kwaku Anan and I'm a journalist. Barely 24 hours there's a video in circulation by myself, and this video is particularly talking to the New Patriotic Party communication machinery.
Was see video BA dia kotene e wo social media e for no an wodi kan ba be video bi dada said there's a storm coming up, there's a video coming up. It is a video no e dia kotene e wo social media so a ekoma MPP aban eni na medufo enti omunti asem na obeka ne yi o kana poto omkasa journalist o tebrofo a eja o kama apotofo ne abrofo no eno ho nsem na wo ka no me de mebo wuchi mo mo ate ate ye nto aso.
Aware of an impending tsunami soon to hit the news market.
Okay.
And I've made an emphasis to this particular stories, call them fake stories. Which of course these stories would hit the news market and will make the government of the NPP completely out of place. A story that would hit to make the government certainly would struggle, or if you like, a moment that they may need a live oxygen to survive.
Tiazem ni yo mempese enye menum asemo Justice Kwaku Anan se sa storm na eba no. Sa video we na wo hwe esisi ene wasem no wo kan ebeba abeto amansan tintan kese no so ye social media ebe hiti president na ma ebe dru stage bia anhwe ebetimi awipe MPP aban na free akonya no so ana ebetimi ahiti omampanyi his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa ama obehia home oxygen because ebe shocking no ebe by surprise, which means say in another way no it can take his life. Which means say prophecy for some prophecies no. Tie say asem we na hye so on the 3rd, on the 4th, on the 5th, these 3 days no. Sa asem no a Justice Kwaku Anan kan no. Ebetimi aba ana se eba se omampanyi ye mampanyi his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa obetimi atwa ahwe. We behia oxygen emframa ansa na odi enyankwa enye sa ubetimi ahwere ne kra saa asem no o kan o enye se bia me na me yebotiri maka utie ko obeka video no mu sika na wote wo 40,000 na wote no obeka so udi etawaso na tie ni
meaning that they're going to hit the iceberg. Sad story, Stormway, in the Eba. Now, I'm saying, but that's footage in the Bible. And if we pray, the pushback is huge, demanding to have a heads up of this particular story coming, or this impending storm, if you like. Now, Imre, because of the pushback, I been necessary say, yeah, story no e hum popia kakra betu him na ma obia so adano so but then I will not be quick to give detail of that story until the story itself we call the fake news a better form. Number one, stories in the air basi
tio hane hia no
dia womu aya arrangement anytime if by this footage we na mo man se some adwenia a video recording ever hit the news market.
Video recording.
Simply to seek to suggest to say the president, His Excellency Adodankwa Akufo-Addo Akwakoche Prime.
Tio.
Na sa footage we a donation. Ya a donation at the ama president.
Tio.
Na sa footage no. Womo ever done narrative. The narrative ya meme de ma we no. In that footage, and our video, and yet the same narrative. They will change the narrative to suggest that yes, Obi Akwakoma President Akufo-Addo a bribe. To us, it way maintain somebody in his office. And a video no so bear to say Nipa no this donation and our bribe the command president. No Nipa and there was a government agency.
The agency the same video now.
Okay. It between Minister of Agri, it between Urban Roads, any. Na sa footage mu so, almost 80 amount in say, 40,000 Ghana cedis.
40,000 Ghana cedis. Eh clear.
Our until 40,000 so here, you new people or man of 40,000. So no can sample 40,000 abon on.
Okay.
But we any new man akoso wo many more Ghana for you mu binimo. Ye kasetia abranti bia ye friend Anas Aremi Anas sorry wo main for more than 15 years sorry
onua sawoti asem no kan bebre because ni nyina achi no o de kwakwa bi se Anas e video bi o yes o de beba no na sa Anas video no ebekọ etia ye president His Excellency Nana Adodankwa eno nti no ya amakwan amana amfa ama because honorable Kennedy Japan be ye na adwene se so makwan na Anas amene ya Anas edit sa video ne ba abontia ebe ha na aban ene ye Excellency ye president otiso Nana Adodankwa enti makwan ema sa ade ne mma yemusebusa ye ho questions ne ntwe ya adwene si bibi so first question that we need to ask Justice Kwaku Anan say Justice Kwaku Anan hefa no nya video na ansa na video ne ba abontia Justice Kwaku Anan susu ye adwuma ma Kennedy Japan. Do you want to tell me Kennedy Japan knows nothing about this video, or he knows it already, or they knew this video is coming up? Do you want to tell me Justice Kwaku Anan betimi aka ade bia or ne Kennedy Japan ensusu hu ana woni MPP mpanyifo bi nka ho ase? Just think about it. Don't you think Kennedy Japan they know something about this video which is coming up? Don't you really think a MPP amonyokuo no ankasa and abo madwimu po mpese omode saadi we eheti yanyini ne bebi hu kwa achiro it seems everything that happens bia no they put the blame on NDC say NDC for na ye propaganda wa wutie mi awhem we nya atwem mesusu mi nya atwem di entira obi enu ode ne nsabo nkum be kire ni kuro mu kwan ana ne fie kwan se enie because obia epani die yi se de ope odie yi no sa na me pemi die yi na akwa ka ya me se NDC ni MPP aban mi enu we no we ka we nu we ka we ntini bibia na ebe free MPP mu ebe ba enya ana se eya ade bia ato atese bia no NDC fo na de baaye ade bi so ebe free NDC mu ebe ba enya bia no MPP fo na de baaye entini eye den ya minim se dodo na amutie na amoheni nyina be ka se video we de NDC fo na plan na o pushi Now, won't you believe, say, MPP for no one cast so I been upon a money p. Yes, a booby bekawa if you are one to mamu, and ye mean to mamma buana bekawa, ye wa one to mamma. So don't you people think, say, same way I question a MPP for no cast because Justice Kokwana or MPP ni because ye drama can Japan. And so when you say storm way eba. So tell me and think about this very clearly. Your president, His Excellency Nana Dankwa. Wajuma power yana mekan free SHS in the Udi Judy name of NDC nede. Edi kaya de na sisi Udi Judy. Faji Udi neko. Name of the ababa to dress o kan ho asem se. Obeka say NDC for my NDC for the minia. O man ye mu ne penyen na isi nya MPP bia. Tie sa asem ni na fashion so. Ensem bebre betwa togu o mansantin tan kese so na papa no MPP for the boy nyina ene yempe papa no ene yempe GM oba be o de nkura ne ba be emanfo ye poster bebre wo Tracy Buache ho ene Tracy Buache ene MP GM afano Mahama ne na akoda ene Bahama ne na wo ye mu kan sem bebre e fa ho kene Japan so ankasa panin toto mrahye bedwani okasa dudu atie ni timi kogina abantima nipa domu ebie na no ka se muntie entu pese o chem se omo na omugina abantima omoboji su ye no ka se omo ni se agro na wodi eye wani brisem because oh ye campaign ye ni agro we don't joke penyin toto kra te sem na hye bedwani kene Japan kra de you don't joke ekwe akire wo se na odi agro okoye bantima okoye campaign omokoye saade no odi agro na Tracy Buache ebe fa serious social media man santin tankese no so amanfo so afa no wake up no my hey na esi Tracy abe patch ominia uti asem a intie one side uti both side na dwene ho ko akire obadwene ba very important Tracy Buache amfiti preko peso obe patch o say Kennedy Japan me power che o facha mi o wasise wankasa panyin toto ahunu sense hunu na okokaye ene agro na wudi ye dia eya agro bi wo ha aya na ne boarding jokes are expensive it is enke wan kodi sa agro hunu no a enka akora na susu ntimi nka sa asem na nkirew ba sese wo papa no wahunu sa agro na wudi ni nsem hunu dia ene ofo wo se ne papa ene ono susu ebufuo se no de kan na facha no which is very simple and a logic. And this will free nipem. And uncle Amanini am so am a born hard in checking in Japan and our cast and Covagas and Kudiagro and Concada. About about me and you who never won't quetch. O man penny bribe now, what ye? So a genie 2016 2001. Meaning what ye? Or J or the year day. Young fan saying your bribe a gift. Young fan saying your bribe a gift. A DNT and or this are gifts or the year day. Or the year day. 40,000 Ghana cedi or dollars. Waje. Yaman penyaji. Minia. Eti oman penyi ti meje sa bribe we dia. Ti memfo ni police fo no so nye day. Enti ye betimi achi obi se waje bribe na. Sete sadia eni emume enkohwe apia stadium say yenyini free sa system num so waje bribe. What I know ne say yen na ye wa kwantuo mu ne tie. Bribery and corruption is what they are really against. Ah, we ya ye betimi achiw. Enti ye man panyi aye sa adiwe. Ye say ye ne dey. My papa mo menwene ne me bi hu nko akiri me mpese me na me bu asem because ye omra hwebedwafo e bi ti se emra hwebedwani Kennedy Japan de agro na ni so because so di agro e ti me mfa ne nya asem emra hwebedwafo ne lawyer fo ne court fo kese what are they doing about this or they call it an old video minua e wi ase ehu sese wonya ade awie Justice Kwakwana meyi niema bia no na wiase amansante kwen ofa so hu se storm ni eba me se hye so on the 3rd on the 4th on the 5th and come she bi so oba ne besa ba biem ebia na nya video we nku a o ye president obetimi atwa ahwe because Justice Kokwana na so kan se sa video we betimi ahete na ma ahwe obehia oxygen ana ebetimi a wipe MPP afiro e de enti no hu za ade mo yanwini ne mabu nku akire obadwene ba mo ye enti ne ma bi ase minim se o hwe video na hu se de video ni sitie se wan ti video na se ato obo ase ni hwe video no kakaka na ti ne ma bi ase me mpese matwe wa adwene akọ ne ma hu bebre because there are so pile of videos coming up. I don't want to say me debe two bedrooms here, but piano kakra. On the 3rd, on the 4th, on the 5th, expect say something new is also coming up. It has been hidden for a long time, and this is the time that it has to come out. And you people have to be await and see it. Me person me can say me mama say me a change, but we need to question the government. Say, are they now what to say any day? Whether it's old or new, is it going to go scot-free? Or you ever heard say kwa no akokwa enti obi foforo so kwaje bribe by ye be china na put it in mind ehem fa na Justice Kwanan ko hu sa ade ne say eba he knew it before and now say sisi e no be hu ye think about those things dwene ho ko akiri MPP fo ankasa ne plan de baaye ana de enti na sisi wo mo de ba dwene ho ko akiri now you sure say NBC for video we da nkoma amfama ade na afi na sisi eba. Think about all those things. You will get it very clear. Obajin ba me de makani here na achiro. Me put your question be into your mind. Think about it and watch the video very carefully. Replay the video. Listen to the conversation and then think about it. Ne ha ne bi ne fa tutu ne bi hu. Ne fa tutu wasetena ho. Ansa na wakoto aba. Abato no so ehu hia. Se wo beto because oto ne hia. Whether omube wiem ombe kululu, still you need to vote. Because your vote will count. Nti bomode ne ko vote. Who vote so a vote ni. Vote it wisely and then be so smart. Na hwe ne ma ekoso. What you say? If you have no option to vote, I urge you say we vote for number 2 because too sure. And the too sure is also for peace. And peace is what we need among us. And peace is what we need. Makani here na achiro badwene ba me ma me kasa nyetintin ko achiri pi. Abato bre ne ye dru. Dwene ne ma bi kun ko achiri. Because some of Ghanaians have short memory. So this is the time their mind has to be open. Because maybe I but this time let's vote for peace. And peace is what we need in Ghana. Peace should be among us and unity is what we need. Macrao ha and I'm busy. We didn't any pita noche. That's a boa. Bye bye.